This is a product tutorial for Sense, a whole-of-government business intelligence tool that allows government officers to query their databases in natural language. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to modify the tables created by Sense. We're going to learn how to reshape your table structure, add entries, and remove items. We created a mock company employee dataset for this tutorial. Calling the dataset, we see that the table consists of 4 fields: the unique identifier of employee, the employee event, whether he joined the company, resigned, or got promoted, the date of the event, and the identifier of the company. Notice how we've intentionally made a typo error for the employee event. We've done this to illustrate the importance of good metadata in helping Sense to still make sense of a dataset, even though your column names might be wrong. Suppose you want to find out the average duration of an employee in a company. Let's start by asking Sense to print out all those rows where the event is join company or resignation. Now, this table is not very useful. Conceptually, you would like a table where the join date and the resignation date are all on the same row as the employee and company identifiers. This will help you calculate the duration of each employee's time in each company. In Sense, this is easily done by reshaping. Reshaping means transforming the data structure into a new table with the columns of your choice. We simply tell Sense to reshape the table into 4 new columns: employee, company, join date, and resignation date. You can also create a new column. This is done by literally telling Sense to create a new column, in this case, a column called base salary, and assigning it a default value of 5,000. Finally, you can also remove entries. In this case, we can remove all the rows from the table above where there is no resignation date. And there you go, an appropriate data structure for understanding the employee situation in each company. In summary, we learned that Sense is able to reshape data tables into new tables with new columns specified by you. Sense can also create new entries, such as rows and columns, and even assign default values. Finally, Sense can also remove items from any table it had previously created.